Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Christmas is one of the most beautiful time of the year. It is the season of joy, family celebration and beautiful decoration. Today we are going to talk about one area of home that is sometimes forgotten when decorating for Christmas, the staircase. The staircase can completely change the look of your home when it is decorated with little creativity from simple and elegant ideas to warm and festive style. There are so many ways to make your staircase look magical. So if you are looking for beautiful Christmas staircase decoration ideas, stay with me until the end because we have lot of inspiration to share. And before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel and turn on notification bell so you are never miss our new Christmas decoration idea. Let's start. The first idea is a simple Christmas garland. Let's start with one of the easiest and most beautiful idea, decorating the staircase railing with the Christmas garland. You can keep it simple or you can add small Christmas decoration throughout the garland for more natural look. You can add pine cones, small ornaments, ribbons, or little decorative detail. The best thing about this idea is that you don't need to make it too perfect. The a slightly natural and relaxed arrangement can actually make the staircase feel warm and more welcoming. Ribbon can make a staircase look much more festive. You can add ribbons to the garland or tie them around different sections of the railing. Large soft bows can create a beautiful Christmas feeling, while small bows can give the staircase a simple and elegant appearance. Try to keep the ribbon arrangement balanced from the top of the stairs to the bottom. You can also let some ribbon hang naturally on the staircase. This is simple idea but it can make a big difference. Now let's make the staircase glow. Small warm light can create a cozy Christmas atmosphere, especially in the evening. You can gently place the lights along the garland or around the railing. When the main lights in the room are turned down, the staircase can become the beautiful glowing part of your Christmas decoration. Warm light give the home a peaceful and comfortable feeling. It is perfect for family evening, Christmas dinner, and even taking beautiful holiday photos. Another lovely idea is to add Christmas ornament to your staircase. You don't have to cover every part of the railing. Instead, place decoration at different points so the staircase look balanced. You can mix different shapes and size to create more interest. Small ornaments can be added to a garland while larger decoration can be placed near the beginning or end of the staircase. Remember, the goal is not to add everything you have. Sometimes using favor decoration create a cleaner and more elegant look. Don't forget the wall beside your staircase. If your staircase has an empty wall, this can become another beautiful Christmas decorating idea. You can add simple festive decoration, Christmas signs, small wreath, or other seasonal details. The wall does not need to be completely covered. A few carefully placed decoration can make the entire staircase area feel more comfortable. The idea number 6 is add small Christmas details. Sometimes small details create the biggest difference. You can place small Christmas decoration around the wall staircase area. For example, you can add decorative baskets, small trees, festive boxes, or other seasonal decoration near the bottom of the stairs. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye.